Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to add music to your Instagram post. When someone watches your post, they will hear music. How do you do this? To do this, you add a new post. It can be a video or a photo. For example, I'm adding a photo. And up here at the top, I select the music icon. And here in the list, we select any song that we want to add. Or we search for it through search. And then we select the segment that we want to play in the post. And click Continue. Then we sign our publication as usual if we want. And then we press the share button. We wait a couple seconds. And now we've already posted the publication. Now, as you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.